Hello guys, it's 1001 calories and my name is Dimitri. As usual, our recipes are very easy and comes together very quickly, but today it will be different story. I will share with you today very difficult recipe. Very serious stuff. To perform this recipe, you need to have some special skills. My wife is professional chef and she refused to perform this recipe. As Julia Child said that be fearless in the kitchen and about all have fun, so I will be fearless and I will be with you on every single second on this recipe. So here we go. Take one sheet of puff pastry and cut in 6 equal squares. It can be tricky, but I know you can do it. Place one piece of cheese on the middle of a square, sausage, and roll up. It's very difficult, I know, but try to do your best. Then cut in 3 or 4 equal pieces. And then do the same with the rest of the squares. Place your rolls in a baking tray. And now we are going to perform very difficult operation, beat an egg. Just do what I do, easy. Then brush your rolls, all of them, every single one. Then decorate them with the poppy seeds. Again, every single roll. Then take your tray with 2 hands, place in the oven and cook for 15 minutes to 120 degrees. And here we go. Our pigs in a blanket are ready. So guys, if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe our channel and share with your friends and family. See you after tomorrow.